be working on a project called Make a Potion. You're going to be seeing that backwards because, hi. Apparently I'm going to have a helper to explain the project. So we have this little sign that says Make a Potion so the kids understand the print and know what we're going to be doing. And we have these cool little vials. I picked them up at an early childhood conference, but you could use anything. You could use even just these little guys here, a couple little glasses. Anything that allows the children to see through. Look at these from Costco. These are just like little egg containers. Scoop of baking soda in there, and then we could put some vinegar and then all the food coloring. And yeah, so we're going to play some Halloween music, and we're going to use the droppers. The droppers are great for fine motor activity, and these little scoopers are going to be a lot of fun for the kids to scoop baking soda. So there's really no right or wrong way to do this. We also have a few witch hats, right? Are you excited about the witch hats? This one's the teacher witch hat, so it's really special to get to wear the teacher witch hat, right? You're scary. Oh no! There's a scary witch. Here comes a warlock. A warlock is a boy witch. Did you know that? You get to be a warlock. So we're gonna have some witch hats, and we're gonna have a lot of fun today. Scooping, dumping, and pouring, and watching the color transformation, right? Who knows what color this one is?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good. What color is this one?
Blue.
And what do you think is gonna happen if we mix the yellow and the blue?
I think it's gonna turn something.
Do you have a prediction?
Yeah.
What color do you think it's going to
I
change?
make the potion at my house.
You made a potion at your house? So if we put yellow and blue together, what color are we going to get? Who knows? Anybody know?
I do.
You do? What color is it going to be? Charlotte knows.
Green.
Green! High five for you. You remember.
It's
You do a lot of
green.
color experimentation over and over again because it's hard to remember, right?
What?
It's hard to remember which colors to mix to make the colors. Does anybody remember what colors we use to mix the color orange?
Yeah.
What colors do we use?
Orange.
What do we use to make the color orange?
I
I don't know. Red and yellow. We've
Red
done a lot
and
of times,
yellow.
but it takes a lot of times to learn, right, guys?
Right.
All right. Who's gonna be ready to make witch potions after breakfast?
Me.
Let's hear your best witch cackle.
I'm gonna take the potion and do this.
You're gonna take the potion and do that. Okay, we're gonna have breakfast, and then whenever we're done with our breakfast, we're gonna give it a try. How's it going over here, guys? Go for it. Put a little squeeze in there.
Uh-oh.
Do you need some help?
Yeah.
Evie, you need some help?
I got it. How about this one?
Oh, excuse me, honey.
Did you mean this one?
All right, Evie. Here, let's put it right here. Maybe if you just use one hand for scooping. Watch, Evie. See? Take a little scoop of this. We'll put it right here. Watch. See?
I want
Scoop it, and then scoop it in the test tube. Can you do that? Uh-oh, that's right. Can you scoop it in there? Good.
I want some.
It's tricky to do. If you want some, then you can get scooper, then you can use this instead. So go ahead and use the squeezer. The scooper or the squeezer.
What's happening, Missy?
What is happening?
I can do that.
Oh, what do you see in there?
I'm putting some.
Did you put any vinegar in yours yet?
I put some sugar.
That's not sugar, that's baking soda. Uh-oh, you have to take the lid off of this. Here. Actually, here, you can try this one. Put some of that in there. Some of the yellow food coloring. How's yours going, Avery? Did you put any of the vinegar in there yet? Like this, see?
So maybe I can dump this in the water.
Well, we're gonna use the scooper. Or I'm sorry, we're gonna use the squeezer.
Could you open this for me?
If you can open it out right now, I'm using the video camera, but I can do it in a minute.
What?
What do you have in there?
My